Good morning, students. Today we continue our fifth chapter, heat. Let us start our next point, anomalous behavior of water. Anomalous behavior of water. अजब सा तरीका, पानी का अजब सा तरीका. Students, you know that in general when a liquid is heated up to a certain temperature, it expands, and when it cools, it contracts. Water, however, shows a special and exceptional behavior. If we heat water from 0 degrees Celsius up to 4 degrees Celsius, it contracts instead of expanding. At 4 degrees Celsius, its volume is minimum due to contraction. If the water is heated further, it expands and its volume increases. The behavior of water between its temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius is called the anomalous behavior of water. पानी का अजब सा तरीका. हमें तो पता है कि इन जनरल कैसे होता है. when we heat the liquid, it starts to up to certain temperature, it starts to expand. कोई भी लिक्विड हम लोग हीट करेंगे, एक फिक्स टेम्परेचर तक हीट करेंगे तो वो एक्सपांड होता है. एंड व्हेन इट कूल इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. व्हेन इट कूल इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. बट वाटर एक ऐसा एक्सेप्शनल केस है कि जिसका बिहेवियर अजीब सा है. मतलब कैसे होता है, देखो. व्हेन वी स्टार्ट वाटर हीटेड फ्रॉम 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस अप टू 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जब हम वाटर हीट करने को स्टार्ट करेंगे 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस से 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक वाटर हीट करेंगे, इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपांडिंग इट, इट स्टार्ट्स टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपांडिंग इट, इट स्टार्ट्स टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. मतलब जब वाटर हम हीट करने को स्टार्ट करेंगे 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर से 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक, तो वो एक्सपांड होना चाहिए, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो वो उस टेम्परेचर तक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है. क्या होता है? वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है, मतलब वो कोएगुलेट होता है. एंड एट 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस इट्स वॉल्यूम इज मिनिमम बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. व्हेन द टेम्परेचर reaches at 4 degree Celsius, water starts to contract, means it contracts, and because of that contraction at 4 degree Celsius, the volume of water is minimum. The volume of water is minimum because of the contraction. And if we heated it further, when we heated this water further, it again starts to expand. It again starts to expand and its volume start to increases. Its volume starts to increases. This abnormal behavior of water from 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius is called the anomalous behavior of water. This abnormal behavior of water between the temperature of 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius is called anomalous behavior of water. पानी का अजीब सा तरीका. Okay, is it clear? Now here given one experiment means with a जो anomalous behavior of water है, ये हम होप्स apparatus यूज़ करके स्टडी करेंगे. होप्स apparatus यूज़ करके स्टडी करेंगे. देखो, स्टडी ऑफ anomalous behavior of water using Hope's apparatus. The anomalous behavior of water can be studied with Hope's apparatus. On the page number 65, given seen figure 5.5, Hope's apparatus is given there. Now, how is the construction of the Hope's apparatus? See, in Hope's apparatus, there is a flat bowl is attached to the cylindrical bowl, cylindrical container. सिलिंड्रिकल कंटेनर को एक फ्लैट बाउल अटैच किया है. एंड देयर इज अ प्रोविजन टू अटैच द थर्मोमीटर टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर. एंड आल्सो वो फ्लैट सरफेस के ऊपर जो सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट है उसमें एक थर्मामीटर अटैच किया है और नीचे भी वो सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट में थर्मामीटर अटैच किया है वाई टू मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द वाटर. फर्स्ट व्हेन अबाउट थर्मामीटर जो है उसको वी मेजर द टेम्परेचर T2 एंड नीचे below the flat surface there is again its next thermometer is attached. This thermometer measure the temperature T1. Now in that bowl, a flat bowl on the cylindrical container, we fill the mixture of ice and salt. We fill the mixture of ice and salt means freezing mixture and put the bowl, put it in the flat bowl means we fill the mixture of ice and salt in that bowl. And using this Hobbs apparatus, we want to record the temperature T1 and T2 after every 30 seconds. In this, using this Hobbs apparatus, we want to anomalous behavior of water. To study the anomalous behavior of water by using the Hobbs apparatus, we measure the temperature T1 and T2 after 30 seconds. Now see what happened. Here is we want to plot the graph. On the y-axis you want to take the temperature, and on the x-axis you want to take the time in minutes. The graph shows in the figure 5.6 in your textbook. Initially you observe that both the temperature T1 and T2 are the same. When you observe the graph, you understood that initially both the temperature T1 and T2 are the same. When some time passes, you observe that the temperature T1 of water in the lower part of the cylinder decreases fast. When some time passes, you observe that the temperature T1 means below the flat surface, below lower part of the cylinder, you observe that the temperature T1 of the water means lower part of the cylinder decreases fast, while the temperature T2 means in the above part, means in the upper part, the upper part of the cylinder decreases slowly as compared to T1. The temperature T2 in the upper part of the cylinder decreases slowly as compared to T1. And when the temperature T1 is reaches at 4 degrees Celsius, it remains almost stable at that temperature, and temperature in the lower part of the cylinder start to decrease, and it decreases up to 4 degrees Celsius, and at that 4 degrees Celsius temperature it remains constant, it remains stable. And T2 starts changing rapidly and it records 0 degrees Celsius. While as what happened in the upper part, T2 temperature T2 starts changing rapidly and it records at 0 degrees Celsius first, and after that the lower temperature T1 records 0 degree Celsius. पहले क्या होता है, और लोअर पार्ट का टेम्परेचर फास्टली डिक्रीज होने को स्टार्ट होता है, व्हेन इट रीचेस when it reaches at 4 degrees Celsius, it remains stable, and after that when we observe the T2 part, means T2, we see that again temperature starts changing rapidly and it records 0 degrees Celsius. And when we see that after some time we see that T1 records the 0 degree Celsius temperature, means 4 degree Celsius पे वो stable होता है, then it starts to also expand. At 4 degree Celsius the temperature remains stable, means water at that temperature water starts to contract, so water contracts, and after some time when we observe again water starts to expand after 4 degree Celsius, and the temperature reaches to 0 degree Celsius. And at that point, means at that temperature 4 degree Celsius is the density of the water is higher, the density of the water is high. And this graph shows in 5.6. We shows this graph in 5.6. Here again see, initially the temperature of water in the middle of cylinder lowers due to the freezing mixture in the outer bowl. पहले हम लोगों ने फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर लिया था, वो जो फ्लैट बाउल है उसमें क्या लिया था, फ्रीजिंग मिक्सचर लिया था. इसीलिए क्या होता है, मिडल सिलेंडर के मिडल में जो वाटर है वो क्या होता है, स्टार्ट टू द टेम्परेचर ऑफ दैट वाटर स्टार्ट decreases and its volume increases and also its density increases. The water with higher density moves downwards, and जो डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर की हायर हो गई है इसीलिए वो क्या हो रहा है, वो नीचे पास हो रहा है. वाटर ऑफ द हायर डेंसिटी moves downwards and therefore the lower thermometer T1 shows the rapid fall in the temperature. Therefore the lower part of the thermometer T1 shows the rapid fall in the temperature, and this continues till the temperature of the water becomes equal to 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ऐसा कब तक चलता है, जब वाटर 4 डिग्री जब वाटर का टेम्परेचर 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक नहीं होता है तब तक ये चलता है. एंड व्हेन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द वाटर starts decreasing below the 4 degree Celsius, its volume again increases. Why? Because after the 4 degree Celsius water again starts to expand, because after the 4 degree Celsius water again starts to expands and its density also decreases. And therefore when it moves in the upward direction and the temperature of the water in the upper part T2 decreases rapidly to the 0 degree Celsius, and the temperature of the water in the lower part T1 however remains at 4 degree Celsius for this some time, and after 4 degree Celsius it again starts to decrease slowly up to 0 degree Celsius, decreases slowly up to 0 degree Celsius. In this way, we can explain the study of anomalous behavior of water using the Hobbs apparatus. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, explain the anomalous behavior of the water by using the Hobbs apparatus. Okay. Here we stop. Now take some questions. Explain. Take first question. Explain the anomalous behavior of water. Explain the anomalous behavior of water by using Hobbs apparatus. By using Hobbs apparatus. You want to draw the diagram here also. And in last lecture I explained the, can you tell the question from page number 64 of your textbook. You want to write the answer of that question also. We feel that some objects are cold and some are hot. Is this feeling related in some way to our body temperature? ये आंसर मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था. ये भी तुम्हें आंसर लिखना है. तो 2 क्वेश्चन है. यू डू दिस होमवर्क and send me on WhatsApp. Thank you.